Hello guys, just arrived here at one of the parks of Thailand, and this is a free park zone, and there are a lot of activities you can do it here. Okay, maya-maya i-show ko sa inyo kung anong mga activities pwede dito. Ano? And libre po dito, libre lang. Okay, so see you guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ang park na ito. Okay.
Hello.
Stop it, I cannot go down. Stop it. Bro, where are we now?
Alright guys, pakita ko na sa inyo ang park na ito. First thing first, this park is a sports park. Okay, and see, you can see now. Here they have a floating. What's that? I'll show you. Floating football field. See? Look at that. Floating yan. Okay. This place is good for biking, jogging, and of course exercising. There are a lot of marami silang machines dito na pwede mong exercisean. Ayan, paikot dyan, dami, pili ka lang anong gusto mo. Ayan o, kabila pa, there, the other side. Okay, so wala pa tayo sa kalahati guys, malawak pa to. Yeah, next they have here windsurfing. Oh, this is my son walking now. Go straight.
It's okay. It's
Go
okay.
straight.
It's gonna break.
Wow, look at that, guys. See?
So scared.
Look
Let's
at the
go
view.
straight.
And they have kayaking also
on,
there.
I'm so
And
scared.
wow, we will go to that bridge later. And that is a miniature of King Bumipul's bridge, King Ramanine.
Come on, Daddy.
Here's the floating football court, as I said a while ago, right?
Come on. I'm too scared. Daddy, right behind you. That's my food.
the bridge now.
I'm shocked.
Okay,
I'm shocked. I'm really shocked.
don't be shocked. There we go, guys.
Shocked.
Going up now.
Dapat walang bike dito eh.
Yeah, almost.
Kuya, binibidyo na ba niya? Dali na, dito naman. Eh, okay,
Yeah,
picture yung baba.
I'm on top of the bridge now, and
Whoa,
you can see the
I'm so
view.
scared of this one.
I'll show you the view of this park. Meron pa pala isang parang lake din doon sa kabila, oh.
So
Yeah,
scared of
over
this.
there. Windsurfing, sailing, kayaking. That's the other side, and this is the bridge. And there's another side here.
Yay! Whoa.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? We're going down the bridge now.
Yay! Wee.
There we go.
We're ready so fast.
Okay, you can do it now.
Wait, I will take video here. Stand by here. Stand by here.
You can do it now.
Ganda mag-bike dito, guys. At saka hindi mainit kasi covered siya ng mga puno eh. Ang lawak niyan. Paikot pa yan punta doon, oh. Kabila, punta doon. Ayan. You can cross the bridge here. Yeah. See?
Ready, set, go!
Sige. Jump. Sige. Go. It won't broke.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Hooray! Hooray! 100 hooray! Hooray!
Sige pa.
Hooray! Hooray! 100 hooray!
Here go. Ganda dito guys. Pwede rin maglagay ng duyan, no? Sarap ng hangin pa dito. Lawak niyan. They have also feeding frenzy here. Wow. Feed the fish. Wow. Over there. Whoa.
It's a surplus for the fish.
Just watch.
Lalaki.
Lalaki nga. Ano yan? Isda yan dito?
Catfish.
Ha?
A basketball court also here. Open court. Okay.
Hey, watch it! Don't
Ganda na ang tubig ngayon. Look at that, DJ. Wow. Dito na kami sa kabilang side ng park. Try natin kung maikot natin ito lahat.
Daddy, can you please?
Pwede dito guys ang mga ano guys. Walang hype nyo. If you have your pets, you can bring here. Oh, look at the dog. Whoa. Wow.
Ay, cute. Ah, good pa yung aso.
See?
Binigyan mo na.
I wish I have a pet.
What do you say?
I wish I have a pet.
Oh.
Daddy, I want to buy something to eat. I want.
You can go straight that way, and it's either you can go this way too. Okay. Oh, riding a bike under the trees.
Malilim dito.
Why are too many? I see the bridge.
Yes.
I see the bridge.
Oh, here's the other side of the lake, and the other side too.
Then siguro pwede dito.
Hindi yata.
Ha?
Hindi yata.
Where's King's Park? Mommy, Daddy, where's King's Park? What is more dogs? Mommy, there's a lot of dogs.
Yeah, here's the dead end of this road. Ito yung hati, ito yung way. Ito yung way hati sa lake. Yan. So lawak talaga itong park na to guys. Ayan o. Wow. Beautiful view of the tree.